With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this. We have for PCl5 at equilibrium gives PCl3 plus Cl2. Okay, so this is a gaseous reaction. We all know that these all are in gaseous phase. Okay, so we have initial concentration of each reactant and product is 1 molar. We have initial concentration of each reactant and product as 1 molar. Okay, so if equilibrium constant, that is K equilibrium, is equals to 0.41, then our options are more PCl3 will form, more Cl2 will form, more PCl5 will form, and our option 4th is no change. So this is a very basic and simple question, guys. So what we have a reaction like this. PCl5, we have PCl5. It is not PCl3, it will be PCl5. PCl5 gaseous at equilibrium converting into PCl3, or we can say it is dissociating like this, PCl3 gas plus Cl2 gas. Initially, that is at T equals to 0, we have same concentration for each of the following reactants and product, that is 1 molar. Okay, we have same concentration, that is 1 molar. I hope you guys are understanding it. Okay, so as you all can see here, we have 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so as you all can see here, we have K equilibrium as 0.41. So expression for K equilibrium will be, Kc will be concentration of PCl3, concentration of Cl2 equilibrium divided by concentration of PCl5 at equilibrium. This is the expression for Kc for this reaction. Okay, so Kc will be concentration of PCl3 at equilibrium into concentration of Cl2 at equilibrium and divided by concentration of PCl5 at equilibrium. So as you can see, Kc is less than 1. Kc is less than 1. Wait a second, let me write it more clearly, guys. So as you can see, Kc is less than 1. Kc is less than 1. Equilibrium constant is less than 1. That means this concentration of PCl5 will be higher at equilibrium. Okay, that means this concentration of PCl5 will be higher at equilibrium. I hope you guys are understanding it. Okay, so when this will be a fraction, when Kc will be a fraction, when concentration of PCl5 will be higher than this product. Okay, so as you can see, concentration of PCl5 will be higher than concentration of PCl3 and Cl2. Okay, so you can see that concentration of PCl5 is higher than the concentration of PCl3 and Cl2 at equilibrium. Okay, so when this will be higher, when concentration of PCl5 will be higher, when more PCl5 will form at equilibrium, because initially concentration of each of the following reactants and products are same, because initially concentration of each of the reactants and products are same, that is 1, 1, 1. Okay, but till equilibrium is reached, if more PCl5 will form, then Kc will be less than 1. If more PCl5 will be formed, then concentration of PCl5 will be greater than 1 at equilibrium. Concentration of PCl5 will be greater than 1 at equilibrium. So this concentration of PCl5 will be higher, so Kc will be less than 1. Okay, so you can say that at equilibrium rate of backward reaction is higher. Till the equilibrium is reached, rate of backward reaction is higher, then you can say that the more PCl5 will form. Okay, so if Kc is less than 1, then till equilibrium has reached, more PCl5 will form during the reaction, or we can say till the equilibrium is reached, because initially we have same concentration for each of the following reactants and product. So to make the equilibrium constant less than 1, or we have equilibrium constant less than 1, that means concentration of PCl5 will be higher, and this is higher only and only if more PCl5 will form till the equilibrium has reached. So our option 3rd is the correct option for this question. Thank you, guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.